Hello, in today's short information video we'll be talking about ChatGPT for virtual human interactions. So, what is ChatGPT exactly? Well, it's a large language model trained by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like responses to text-based input. In other words, it's a virtual assistant that can talk to you just like you would talk to a real person. One of the most significant advantages of ChatGPT is that it can be used to a wide range of applications, from customer services to education and entertainment. For example, imagine you're playing a video game and you need to talk with a particular level. Instead of consulting a guide on a forum, you can just talk to ChatGPT for advice and get a human-like response that is tolerated to your specific needs. Another use for ChatGPT is the field of mental health. Research has shown that people are more likely to open up to a virtual assistant about their emotional state than they are to a human therapist. ChatGPT could be used to provide personalized support and guidance on people who are struggling with mental health issues and such as anxiety and depression. Of course, there are also concerns about potential menaces of this technology, such as the spread of misinformation or the creation of fake news. That's why it's essential to ensure that ChatGPT is used responsibly and ethically, with appropriate safeguards in place to prevent abuse. In conclusion, ChatGPT represents a significant steps forward in development of virtual human interactions, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with machines, opening up new possibilities of education, entertainment, and mental health, and more. So, guys, I asked ChatGPT for some benefits on this theme. It gave me some benefits. Of course, you can ask it yourself and you can ask much more ChatGPT. Or if you need some other information or tutorials how to do something, you can visit our channel. We have everything there, and we have every day new videos. So please leave a like, give us a subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this short video. It was enjoyable. See you in the next one. Bye.